Kubor naga Shlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonret ke Sangma Habakran Chigilat Pathai Kubor Hakajan Mir jong Kalai Potarek Unailar Ulaong baka kinhuan menteri kala ai ke jing menjor ban snaya ke medical hub lanie ka Shlem ai jing Hikai hakalyang jing ai jing Sumar ha West Garo Hills district Ulaong baka jing rai ban bu ya ka medical hub ha West Garo Hills kadai namar balajit kerpang habo ka jing pet bar ka jing bay tingka jong katanat minority affairs jong ka sarkar pedeng house nem arhajar arpho Ulaong ru baya ka project balas sedang house nem arhajar arpho laterwa arspa prapu ar klur tingka bar hadian kat tu kat ni gijing pensai na kalyang ka sarkar pedeng kala bay tingka no tang shispa san puway pon khandai pra kurur tingka bat 10% na kani ka pisa kan ai na ka sarkar jilla bat shispa laipo kurur tingka an ai da ka sarkar pedeng Ulaong ru bakani ka Shlem ai Hikai ka don ha Babadam ha not tura jong ka West Garo Hills Shuo o Menteri Rangba Ulaong bahapo jong kani ka medical hub kindon ki hostel na kamenta 8,000 sanspa ngut ki Khynnah Pule ka nursing college ka pharmaceutical college paramedical college bat ka way ka skill development center ban Ulaong kani kande ka way na ka jaka Pule bahe tam ha sa tayla mingi
Two agendas were discussed but they were deferred because some more discussion has to be taken place but one agenda that was taken up was regarding the approval of the cabinet for the construction of a medical skill Hunar hub in West Garo Hills district. This is a project that was initiated in 2020 and the idea was to have a medical skill for paramedical staff. A large scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district. And the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Hunar hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs that time. From 2022, of course, that has changed, and now all districts can get funds for Minority Affairs. So for this particular project, which was initiated in 2020, we had proposed 282 crores for this. But after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the Government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by Government of India. The project will come up in West Garo Hills district in Babadam area, which falls under North Tura constituency, and this will have a space for almost 2,500 students and different hostel facilities. It will have a pharmaceutical college, a nursing college, paramedical college, and one skill development center. And there will be large number of hostels for all the students who are studying. And this will in one way become one of the larger skill centers for medical skill in the entire Northeast. The funds for this also, the initial installment has been released, and this has been given. The work for this will be done through a PSU, which is EPI, Engineering Project India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking. And this undertaking also was, this PSU also was selected after a bidding process, and other PSUs were also had also submitted their bids, and out of the 3 bids, the L1 was EPI, which is Engineering Projects Limited, and they have been asked to execute the work. So that is the decision that was taken today by the cabinet.